So this is the first job link that we have, which is for the network security engineer, firewall, and SOC operations. Right. I hope what you know what is SOC security operations center. So I'll just cover very quickly. You need to take care of networking. You need to take care of SOC things. This is what exactly they are looking for. You should have knowledge of networking, network security. Okay, and configuration of SOC operations and problem solving, blah, 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 whatever things you can. Who can apply? Graduates, final year student, computer science or related domains. And this is mail ID hr@meta.tech.net. And in subject line just mention application for network security intern, right? Internship. Info percept. They are looking for cloud engineer. There are a couple of key responsibilities that will be assigned. I'm just making it a little zoom so that you'll get to know. Don't watch him, her. Okay. Don't watch her, right? Watch this, right? There are a couple of requirements preferred, and there are a couple of this is a mail ID on which you can apply, right? Careers ID at infopercept.com, and this is contact number. If you want any things to ask, you can write. Next one, Stigman Cyber Security. Just do that work. Thank you. Stick, yes. Stigman Cyber is hiring. Immediate joiners wanted. Sales development represent, that's not for us. Associate engineer, associate analyst, which want 3 to 6 years of experience, and associate engineer for 7 years of experience, right? This is the mail ID ankita.mamrat@stickmancyber.com, and apply if you feel like if you can be a part. And next one is IT support engineer, Riyadh based job, which is in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and job responsibility will be technical support to the hardware and software networking issue, troubleshoot, resolve system and networks problem promptly, and all those things. Required qualification is Bachelor of IT, Computer Science or related field. 1 to 3 years of experience is required. A strong knowledge of Windows, Mac, Linux, VPN, knowledge, Active Directory, and all those things. Mail ID is priya@mytech.com, right? And subject line is right and IT support engineer, and at the rate Riyadh for consideration, right? So that you can get a response, right? Next is someone looking for a couple of things. First thing, associate analyst, L1 1 to 2 years of experience, L2 3 to 6, L3 8 years plus 6 years of experience is required, right? So they want pen tester, 3 to 4 years of experience is required. Associate engineer who are proficient in Splunk, and this mail ID. So this is a Gmail account, so just authenticate from your end because I don't want to be again a part of any scam. Next one is client is hiring. One of the client of someone is hiring for IBM QRadar. Those who should have experience in IBM QRadar, associate, junior, associate analyst, Kuwait, confidential, and 30 days notice period should be there. These are the couple of responsibilities, and this one minimum 6 years of experience, which is for the experience job, and this is the mail ID. Mohan Raze Lango at AOL.com, right? Next one, looking for a fresh candidate for desktop support, remote support, application support, Linux administration, Office 365 support. And this email ID sanos.k@softnetmicrosystem.com. This is the contact number, and you can respond on the WhatsApp as well. Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, and Noida, Gurgaon is the office location where you can work, and 25,000 to 65,000 is something salary they can give. So this is from where you can contact, right? Next one is again this is for developer, 0 to 1 years of experience required. SEO knowledge is important. MERN role is important. React.js is important. Okay, so they want a web developer at Vardhan Farms and actively looking for new opportunity. React.js, MERN stack roles. I will. Oh my God, someone is looking for a job. By the way, if someone want this candidate, then you can mail him. All right. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you very much. Have a great day.